Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to edit your nickname on Facebook. With the recent updates, the process has become even simpler. So let's dive right in and get your profile looking just the way you want it. First things first. Open up your Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This is your menu button. Go ahead and tap it. Now you'll see a list of options. Scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap on that, and then select Settings from the submenu that appears. This will take you to your account settings page. In the settings, you'll want to look for the Audience and Visibility section. Under this, you'll find Profile Details. Give that a tap to proceed. Here's where the magic happens. Scroll down the Profile Details until you reach the Other Names section. See that little pencil icon next to it? That's your ticket to nickname Nirvana. Tap on it to start editing. You'll now have the option to edit name. Tap on that, and you'll be able to enter your new nickname. Maybe you want to go by a cool shortened version of your name, or perhaps you've got a fun moniker your friends call you. Whatever it is, type it in here. Once you've entered your new nickname, all that's left to do is save it. Hit that save button, and voila! Your new nickname is now part of your Facebook profile. Remember, this nickname will be visible to your friends, so choose something you're comfortable with. It's a great way to personalize your profile without changing your actual name on Facebook. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your nickname on Facebook. It's that easy. Now your profile will show off your personality even more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.